A nearly intact cranial box of the dragon man, Homo longi, unearthed in northeast China 85 years ago, has provided us with insights into a new ancient human species closely related to modern Homo sapiens. Why is Homo longi dubbed the dragon man? Do they share any characteristics with mythical dragons? How far removed are Homo longi from Homo sapiens? Do they still exist, or have they vanished like other Homo species? All will be answered in the following section. Why is Homo longi called the dragon man? To answer this question, we need to rewind to 1933, when a man stumbled upon the first skullbox of a new human species along the banks of the Songhua River, flowing through the territory of the city of Harbin in northeast China's Heilongjiang province. At that time, northern China was under Japanese occupation. Amidst Japanese forces pressuring the construction of a bridge across the Songhua River, this man serendipitously discovered a skullbox whose significance to human evolution he was unaware of. As if guided by ancestral whispers, he refrained from surrendering it to the Japanese military and quietly reburied it beneath an abandoned well. Then, in 2018, after lying dormant at the bottom of the well for 85 years, the nearly intact skullbox was brought to light, becoming a historical artifact that officially placed Homo longi on the human Homo family tree in 2021. And this precious specimen came to be known as the Harbin skull. After assigning the scientific name Homo longi to the new ancient human lineage, researchers chose the location of the specimen's discovery, the Songhua River region in Heilongjiang province, Black Dragon River, to christen them as dragon men. It's as simple as that. Is Homo longi the closest relative to modern humans? The Harbin skull is exceptionally large, measuring 22.1 centimeters in length, 16.4 centimeters in width, and dating back at least 146,000 years, belonging to an adult male estimated to be around 50 years old. Based on cranial analysis, the circumference of a Homo longi skull must have been around 65 centimeters. The largest among all ancient human lineages, possibly rivaling that of gorillas or lions. This is what sets them apart. The dragon men likely possessed robust physiques. While there isn't enough evidence to estimate their height, their large heads suggest they were taller than the average modern human. They lived in small groups across the frigid grasslands teeming with snow in East Asia alongside woolly mammoths, reindeer, Mongolian wild horses, bison, brown bears. Their diet resembled early modern humans, consisting of fruits, vegetables, birds, mammals, and fish. Archaeologists believe that the large skull and body of the dragon men could have been an evolutionary advantage, aiding in their adaptation to the frigid climate of Harbin, where winter temperatures plunged to tens of degrees below 0 Celsius. Through the modest amount of information revealed by the Sino-British-Australian research group, we envision the ancient Homo longi as having a large and elongated brain, with a brain volume of 1,420 centimeters 3, a short face, low and small cheekbones, bushy eyebrows, square eye sockets, a large nose, and large jaw teeth. The structure of the dragon man's skull is similar to that of early Homo sapiens, but the skull volume is closer to that of Neanderthals and modern humans today. DNA analysis from the Harbin skull has uncovered shared genetic segments between the dragon man and modern humans, suggesting that these two human lineages likely interbred. Although the details remain unclear compared to cases of interbreeding between Neanderthals or Denisovans and Homo sapiens. From this, there is speculation that Homo longi may be an independent lineage branching off from early Homo sapiens. Such branching is not uncommon since human lineages began dispersing from Africa across the globe. Branching often results from environmental changes, geographic isolation, or other factors influencing human evolution. Another possibility is that the dragon man shares a more recent common ancestor with us than Neanderthals do. If confirmed in the future, these extinct Homo longi would become the closest relatives of modern humans, unless archaeologists discover a closer human lineage. Moreover, another research group is aiming to prove that the Harbin skull belongs to the mysterious Denisovan ghost that we outlined in the previous article. However, with the limited number of specimens available, it is impossible to confirm anything. We must await further excavation of dragon man remains and genetic samples to expand the scope of research. Are the dragon men still alive or extinct? To date, we have not encountered any traces of the ancient Homo longi wherever humans have tread. This implies that the dragon men have permanently disappeared. However, archaeologists remain unclear about when they vanished. Even an estimate or rough approximation is challenging due to the scarcity of data. The only clear thing is the specimen discovered in 1933. Currently, the Harbin skull, a rare piece of evidence of the dragon men's presence in the past, is preserved and studied by the Geological Museum of Hebei Geo University in Shijiazhuang City, Hebei Province, China. Fortunately, our talented scientists have effectively utilized what remains of Homo longi to successfully reconstruct the face of the dragon man. To reconstruct the appearance of the ancient dragon man, Brazilian graphic expert Cicero de Moraes created a digital model of the skull using data and images provided by the 2021 research team. He also integrated the complete skull of the Homo erectus to fill in the gaps in the dragon man's dental arch. Then, he used cross-sectional images of modern humans and supplementary points to mark soft tissues. Finally, Moraes recreated hair and skin color to make the appearance of the dragon man realistic and vivid. The portrait and life of Homo longi are still quite obscure due to the scarcity of evidence for researchers to study and explore this ancient human lineage. Hopefully, in the not-too-distant future, we will meet them in a new, comprehensive, and complete sharing. Thank you and see you again.